Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
थंयसर एक धाकलीशी होंप आसली ती रातयां भितर ही होंप ना जाली आनी थंयसर आयज 2 माळयांचो स्ट्रक्चर आमकां दिश्टी पडटा.
They use all their means, their power, money to get their permissions. It is very evident from the ways they are getting permission. The ASI reports are very clear. The local ASI seems to be very good over here with regard to their duties. They have clearly stated that there was a hut existing over there, there was no house over there. And with regard to that, I have been over there, so there is no question about a house existing over there. And this big house, the structure which was shown, the photographs which were shown, were from another place itself. And the ASI stated that we went to that place called as Parse in Perne. They saw that house, they saw that owner, they clicked the photograph. They were exactly matching with the photographs which were shown over there. So therefore, a fraud of first degree has been done to attack the heritage over here. So we have to see and conserve that place.
So ASI सांगता you stop the work, it is illegal. जर पंचायत मध्ये देऊ शकता. दुसरी परमिशन मिळवला पासून झाला कशी मिळवली? It will be fraud only. Fraud कोणाला परमिशन मिळवू शकणार नाही. Legal law सांगता you cannot build anything. And competent authority is the ASI. So ASI is objecting, then why other department is giving the permission? Who are they to give the permission?